If you need to record a presentation directly inside Microsoft PowerPoint, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record in Microsoft PowerPoint step by step, so you can capture your narration, move through your slides, and save everything in one easy workflow. This is a great feature for online classes, training videos, business presentations, tutorials, and any situation where you want to talk through your slides without using separate screen recording software. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the Slideshow tab at the top of the window. This is where Microsoft keeps the recording tools for presenting and narrating your slides. Once you're in the Slideshow tab, look for the option that says Record Slideshow. Click that, and PowerPoint will give you two choices. You can either start from beginning, which begins recording from the very first slide, or you can choose from current slide if you only want to record from the slide you are already on. Pick the option that matches what you need. If you want the full presentation recorded from the start, choose from beginning. If you only want to re-record a section, choose from current slide. After selecting your option, click the record button with the circle icon, and PowerPoint will begin capturing your narration and slide progression. At this point, start speaking clearly into your microphone and move through your slides as you normally would during a presentation. You can explain each point, pause when needed, and let PowerPoint save your voice along with the timing of each slide. As you present, make sure to advance through the slides at a comfortable pace so your recording sounds natural and easy to follow. If you make a mistake, you can always stop and re-record the section later. When you're finished with your presentation, click the stop button with the square icon. That ends the recording session and saves your narration in the presentation. Once you stop recording, your PowerPoint file keeps the recorded audio and slide timings so you can play it back later, share it with others, or export it as a video if needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to record in Microsoft PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.